remark. Soon the extra straight up off my arms. I felt so strange, slightly deranged. Saw the ghost of a man that killed himself with the bullet at close range. But in the afterlife, he still complained about the noise in the hum. Never changed. Looking back, wish I could remember his name. Then I ran all the way to my room, like an embryo inside the womb. Stuck my head under the covers like a loon. Soon my head was light like a balloon. So I ran on my way to my room, like an embryo inside the womb. Stuck my head under the covers like a loon. Soon my head was light like a balloon.
I saw the ghost of a man. I was in a foreign land. Straight to my bed I ran. Look up at the ceiling fan. With my friends on my face. Sweat dripping like I just won the race.